Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stabilize handheld shots on Lumafusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to stabilize handheld shots on Lumafusion, all you gotta do is simply go to Lumafusion. Once you're in your Lumafusion, all you gotta do now is simply tap on it. Once you simply tap on it as well, you need to now add clip. You need to simply add clip you want to stabilize to the timeline. Now you need to simply select the clip in the timeline to open its editing options. After this, you need to navigate to the stabilizer controls. Within the editing panel, enable your stabilization. That is often the single toggle for the default automatic settings. Now you can simply preview the results as well, and you can have the overall set strength as an advanced adjustment, advanced strength, automatic shutter correction, and scale and margin. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.